10th 3.2 NCERT fourth problem, page number 49 to 50. In this question it is saying that which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. In the third bit it is given that 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, and second equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. See, in this problem it is not necessary to change the places of any term, because it is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. For the first equation, a1, at the place of a1 we should take 2, and at the place of b1 we should take 1, and at the place of c1 we should take minus 6, because we should not take the variables, just we have to take the coefficients and the constant term. Why we are taking minus here? Because before 6 it is minus, and here nothing is there with the y, so it will be 1. So now for the second, a2 is equals to 4, b2 is equals to minus 2, c2 is equals to minus 4. Now we should write in the form of a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4. b1 by b2 is equal to, minus is to the denominator, then we can take to the numerator, no problem, minus 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is equals to minus 6 by 4, minus 4, sorry, minus get cancelled, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, go to the lowest form, like that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Therefore a1 by a2 is equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is equals to minus 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is equals to 3 by 2. In this we can say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, because here it is plus 1 by 2, but here it is minus 1 by 2. If it is in the form of a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then c1 by c2 will not equal to any of this. So if it is in this form, therefore it is called as, what it is called as, intersecting lines. What it is? Therefore the given linear equations are intersecting. Now in this same question it is asking, if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. When it will become consistent? If it is intersecting or coincident, then it will become consistent. Now it is consistent. Now we will go for the graph. What, before I plotted the graph, see here, this is called as x-axis, and vertical line is called as y-axis. In this I have taken the difference of one unit, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that. The difference between one cell to another cell, the gap, the cell will be of 1 centimeter. Each cell is of 1 centimeter. So on x-axis 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter, or y-axis 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. See, now what we have to do, what the equations 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0 it is given, and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to, it is given 0, is equals to 0 it is given. What we have to do, we should send this minus 6 and minus 4, that means constant term, towards the right hand side. 2x plus y is equals to 6, and 4x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now what we have to substitute at the place of x and y, so that the answer should be 6. I have taken 2 3s, how much it will be? 6. And at the place of y, what we can put? 0. That is 6 plus 0, it will be 6. Now what we have taken at the place of x? 3. At the place of y? 0. That is 3 comma 0. Like the same second one, what we should put at the place of x and y, so the answer should be 6. That is 2 I have taken, 2 2 the 4. 4 plus 2, how much it will be? 6. Then 2 comma 2, that is 2 comma 2. For the second equation, what we should take at the place of x and y? So the answer should be 4. If I put at the place of y 0, minus 2 into 0, it will be 0. 4 ones are how much it will be? 4. 4 minus 0, it will be 4. So at the place of x I have taken 1. At the place of y I have taken 0. That is 1 comma 0. And again one more. What we should put at the place of x and y? So the answer should be 4. At the place of x I have taken 0. And at the place of y I have taken minus 2. See, 4 into 0, it will be 0. Minus into minus, how much it will be? Plus. 2 to the 4. 4 is equals to 4. That is 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Now we will plot this into the graph. First, 3 comma 0. 3 at x axis and 0 at y axis. 3 comma 0. Okay. Next, 2 comma 2. 2 on x axis, 2 on y axis. 2 comma 2. Now join this. What the equation? 2x plus y is equals to 6. Next, 1 comma 0. 1 on x axis and 0 on y axis. 1 comma 0. Next, 0 comma minus 2. 1 on x axis, 0 on y axis. 1 on x axis, 0 on y axis. Like that. 0 on x axis minus 2 on y axis. 0. Join these 2 points. What the first point we have taken? 1 comma 0, and the second point is 0 comma minus 2. Now join it. After joining, what was the equal? 4x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now check where these two are meeting. They are meeting at 2 comma 2. They are meeting at 2 comma 2. That means it is intersecting. This is our